Have you ever felt stuck in a competitive work environment where it seems like everyone is out for themselves? Do you wish there was a way to build stronger relationships, work better with your colleagues, and achieve more together? In today's video, we're exploring the concept of win-win thinking. This powerful mindset can transform the way you interact with others, help you build highly effective teams, and create meaningful, long-term success. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to establish trust, foster collaboration, and implement strategies that benefit everyone involved. So, if you're ready to shift from a competitive mindset to one that promotes mutual success, keep watching. The foundation of win-win thinking starts with building high-trust relationships. Trust is the cornerstone of any successful relationship, whether in personal or professional settings. Without trust, communication breaks down, collaboration suffers, and mutual goals become difficult to achieve. But how do you build trust in a world where people often feel skeptical or guarded? First, focus on being transparent and consistent. Transparency means being open and honest about your intentions, goals, and actions. When you clearly communicate what you're aiming for and why it matters, others are more likely to trust you. Consistency is about matching your words with your actions. When you consistently follow through on your promises, people learn they can rely on you. Second, practice active listening. When you genuinely listen to others without interrupting or judging, you show that you value their input and perspective. This creates a sense of respect and validation, which fosters trust. Ask open-ended questions to encourage dialogue, and make sure to acknowledge others' feelings and concerns. Active listening is more than just hearing words. It's about understanding the emotions and intentions behind those words. By being fully present in conversations, maintaining eye contact, and providing feedback, you show that you are engaged and invested in the other person's viewpoint. This level of engagement helps in breaking down barriers and building a deeper level of trust over time. Third, demonstrate empathy in your interactions. Empathy goes beyond sympathy. It involves understanding and sharing the feelings of others. When you show empathy, you acknowledge the experiences and emotions of those around you, creating an environment where people feel valued and understood. To build empathy, put yourself in others' shoes, try to understand their challenges, and validate their feelings. For example, if a colleague is stressed about a deadline, instead of dismissing their concerns, acknowledge their feelings and offer support or assistance. Over time, this approach builds a solid foundation of mutual respect and trust. Once trust is established, the next step in win-win thinking is building highly effective teams. An effective team isn't just a group of individuals working on the same project. It's a cohesive unit with shared goals, mutual respect, and a strong commitment to collective success. So, how do you build such a team? Start by clearly defining the roles and responsibilities of each team member. This clarity helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures everyone knows what is expected of them. Encourage open communication and create an environment where every team member feels comfortable sharing their ideas and feedback. This inclusivity promotes a sense of belonging and motivates individuals to contribute their best efforts. Effective communication is the lifeblood of any successful team, so set up regular meetings, use collaborative tools, and ensure that every member has a voice. Regular check-ins and feedback sessions create opportunities to address any concerns, celebrate achievements, and make necessary adjustments to the team strategy. Additionally, recognize and celebrate the achievements of your team. Acknowledgement is a powerful motivator. It shows that the hard work and dedication of each team member are valued. Whether it's a small success or a major milestone, take the time to celebrate it as a team. This builds morale and reinforces the belief that everyone's efforts contribute to the group's overall success. Consider implementing a system of rewards or recognition, such as Employee of the Month awards or team outings to celebrate collective achievements. These actions reinforce a culture of appreciation and motivate everyone to keep striving for excellence. Another key element in building a high-performing team is diversity and inclusion. A diverse team brings together people with different skills, experiences, and perspectives, which fosters creativity and innovation. Encourage diverse viewpoints and make sure every team member feels heard and valued, regardless of their background. Inclusion is not just about having different people at the table. It's about ensuring that everyone at the table has an equal opportunity to contribute and make an impact. Research shows that diverse teams are more innovative and make better decisions because they draw on a wider range of perspectives and ideas. Win-win thinking also involves ensuring that everyone involved feels like they are gaining something valuable from the relationship or collaboration. It's not about compromise, where both sides give up something. It's about finding solutions that benefit all parties. Begin by understanding the needs and desires of others involved. Ask questions like, what does success look like for you? Or, how can we achieve an outcome that works well for everyone? Also, remember that win-win thinking is a continuous process. It's not a one-time event, but an ongoing effort to maintain balance and harmony in all relationships. Be prepared to revisit agreements, seek feedback, and make adjustments as needed to ensure that everyone remains satisfied with the outcome. Think of it like tending a garden. You need to regularly water, prune, and nurture it to keep it flourishing. Finally, win-win thinking requires a focus on long-term strategic capabilities. It's easy to think about quick wins or short-term gains, but the most successful relationships are those built on a foundation of sustainable, long-term success. Consider the broader picture. How can your current actions and decisions create lasting value? Look for opportunities to build long-term partnerships that align with your core values and objectives. Whether it's with clients, colleagues, or other stakeholders, aim to establish relationships that are based on trust, respect, and mutual benefit. Develop a mindset that looks beyond immediate outcomes and evaluates the long-term impact of your choices. For example, when negotiating a deal, think not just about the immediate profit, but about how the deal can foster ongoing partnerships, open new opportunities, or enhance your reputation over time. By focusing on strategic thinking, you lay the groundwork for continuous growth and mutual success.